Hi, everybody. Welcome. Animation Capstone. That's right. Welcome to week 11. We finally made it to the end. Really excited to take a look at everything. So this week, we pretty much just got presentations and then just building the shot list. And that's all we got. So keep in mind that class ends on Friday this week. Now, also do keep in mind that discussions are not really discussions. If you choose to not make it to lecture this week, you can do your presentation on your discussion. That'll be a video that you record, and that's what we're going to actually talk about. So that's what we're going to focus on. So we've done all these weeks of building the demo reel. Everything's ready. Everything's shareable. So let's go into it and take a look at where we're going to go. So this week we have presentations. I'm going to show you how to prepare for your presentation, what options you have, and then we're going to go over shot lists and their importance after presentations. Just a quick couple slides, and then that's all it's going to be. So yeah, let's get into it. So you're going to present during live lectures. So I posted the rubrics and posted the lecture assignment. So go ahead and take a look at the lecture assignment, then also take a look at the rubrics on the announcements. And that's what you're going to be presenting during live lecture. So you're going to be presenting your demo reel and then also kind of explaining what's going on, how you're going to go about it, what were some challenges, and just a couple examples of your shot list, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you can't attend lecture, and what are you going to do if you can't attend? So what's the next step? What are you going to go about? So your discussion is where you're going to post your presentation, your video of you presenting your demo reel. And note the initial post is going to request a presentation, so the video itself of the presentation, and a brief summary, which is also attached on the rubric. So please take a look at the rubric before you submit your presentation to make sure that you cover all your summary. And your reply post. So that's another thing. If you don't show up to lecture, you're going to have to reply to everybody's post on the discussion. So, but since it's just us, don't worry. All you have to do is just post the discussion, and then I'm okay with this for the presentation. So all you have to do is just post the presentation. I'm good. But yeah, it's up to you. If you want to do it in lecture, you can totally do it in lecture. If not, you can just do it on the discussion, and make sure you post that brief summary as well. That's going to be really important. Other than that, really just preparing for it. So what you're going to do. So your presentation will include a walkthrough of your demo reel. And then after finishing the walkthrough, as you're like presenting the demo reel live and walking through it, you're going to have to just the following topics, just a couple questions that you're going to have to address during your presentation. So you're going to have to ask yourself, what do you believe your demo reel says about you? Who's your target audience? What were some of the challenges that you went through, and how did you build that demo reel, and what were you most proud of? And what did you learn from the feedback? What did you receive throughout the quarter, and how did you affect it through the development? I would really just double check the rubric and make sure you cover all these points. And also, you're going to be presenting 2 or 3 examples of your shot list, along with covering how you went about this, your overall experience, and what challenges you went through and how you overcame them. That's really what I want to look for. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You're going to walk through your demo reel, answer some questions, and then that's pretty much it. Real simple, easy rubric. Real easy demo reel. Now, if you don't present live, you're going to have to answer these questions on your presentation, on your visual presentation. So as you're walking through the demo reel afterwards, you're going to have to explain what were your challenges, how was your experience, what you could improve, what you couldn't improve, what were some things that you learned real well from this, and that's pretty much it. So yeah. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy, my friends. I hope everybody has a great week. Really excited to check out your presentations, and that's all I got. So enjoy, my friends. Have a good one, and I'll see everybody for Tuesday for lecture. Bye-bye.